here's a breakdown of what I'm doing. So these welds stick out quite a bit. And what I'm doing is I'm grinding off the top and smoothing everything out. And hopefully in the end, it's gonna be silky smooth. I may end up filling some of these holes and gaps with Bondo. I'm not sure yet. Look at that, it's so much better.